Half the young people living without job, who ain't turning hoes and bowlers, they thieving and rob. You see how they lazy and they don't see hell. They don't give you so much in a row and can't buy a bread. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and Facebook or Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaper man Ralph, Reaper man Ralph, you and that head cook Julian, all you mash up the land.
Now when you hear the artist there, him name Isaiah, and the man, him have the biggest balls in a St. Vincent, dog. You hear the man I say, Reaper man Ralph, you and your henchman Julia mash up for the land. And the man go down in our music and him talk about weed, the coke with them a send and everything, how them a treat the young people, how them a treat the woman them. The man a tune bad. Listen, when you hear part it in at the beginning, I'm gonna play some of them tune throughout the video. Yo, listen to Isaiah dog. That man a bad. Let's go. I want to know, look on that picture there. You see that picture there? He's a police boy. His name Corporal Nigel John. He work with the St. Vincent police. And me will tell you now how that boy a link with Hive. I just want to show you some things, you know. We are going in a St. Vincent. Cause people think so them Caribbean island here is a bed of roses. And Jamaica the worst place. But I just want to show you something. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, I have some things I come up on Trinidad, and we have the Louis Rankin movie. I drop it tomorrow so you can watch it on the channel. And I have more things that come about St. Lucia, Trinidad, the whole works, Jamaica. Yo, so much things there for me talk about to blow out. It's like me need 2 mouth. 2 of them me need. But anyways, we are talking about the Hive and the police boy, right here, so. The police boy, them say him kill a little youth. And him say the youth did have gun. And him have to shot the youth. But when them do an autopsy, them sister the youth, somebody step on him neck and broke the youth neck. And nothing never come out of it. People start rile up and try protest, but everything went down the hill. Now, I want to talk about another issue with that police boy, because you have a boy named Marvin, and I want to listen to me. I don't get Marvin picture yet, but I still push out the video. When I get him picture, I can update it. That boy, the pussy old police boy, I'm just showing me, you know, how St. Vincent stay, you know. And when I talk about St. Vincent, this refers to all of the Caribbean, but I am speaking directly to this situation right here, so I would like to address it and not be all over the place. This police boy, him cousin named Marvin, and Marvin is a hitman for Hive gang. More to the Europe, me I say that. And now Marvin also work at the port. Now the port in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So now, you know, any man work at the port, them control the goods, the flow of goods. So you know, gonna come in, them a thief people things, them a take man drugs, and the list goes on and on. And a police boy, him a cousin with the hitman. Now look on that picture here. You see on the right, you have Sanga, a fiend brother dead. You know the 5 people who get killed. Him brother named Dutty. Now, look on the left, you have the police boy. You understand? Corporal Nigel. And me hear through the grapevine, so the police boy and Sanga and Marvin have a meeting. And the meet them have, it's about working together and get rid of the rest among them. So, from what me hear say the police here, he might do straight dirty work for Sanga them and the Hive them. But me hear say the police and Sanga have a meeting and along with Marvin, and Marvin work at the ports. Now, can you imagine meeting of the minds of some super criminals? That shit is crazy. And this is what's going on in St. Vincent car. People make it look like St. Vincent, when we talk about them, oh, this is my country and Jamaica have a murder every day and people leave all sort of comment. But me I showing us something. I want to look on this. Look right on this right now. Now me I gonna play another clip out of Isaiah song. And I want to know if you listen to what Isaiah say. Cause that man is a older man and Isaiah and Rocket him up on stage and the man sit down on the beat. Listen, this is a whole tune where him do about 5 minutes long. And the man him same point and then him going on him chorus. And him chorus is Raperman Ralph. Ralph Gonzalez, our man name, is the Prime Minister of St. Vincent. And let me make it clear, he's talking about the Prime Minister. And somebody tell me that them banned the tune from St. Vincent. So Isaiah tune can't play at St. Vincent. You understand? Listen, me I play another clip. Listen to this.
All your cocaine business, disturbing the peace. When is all your next transshipment of cocaine to Greece? That take out to ya, drag you to the floor. Soon as Grandpa boss open the door, cocaine never move. Raperman Ralph, you and this Spencer Julian, all you mash up the land. Raperman Ralph, you and dispatcher Julian, all you mash up the land. Old Raperman, you and that dealer Julian, all you mash up the land. Ding ding.
In the COVID time, you have the US government I give money to the Caribbean people, Caribbean government then. And I guess every country kind of have their own little program. Jamaica get money and I can't remember anybody get nothing out of that money. But in St. Vincent, it's a little bit different. Now, this youth writer, so, him name Sanga. Him and him brother are identical, twin. Him brother dead in the mass shooting. Now, the government get money. And this youth writer, so, is a known gangster. Known all around, whatever, bad name, bad influence. And this man was allowed to get $70,000 EC dollar off the money for COVID. Them call it PIMP, and it is supposed to help the farmers. Cause I'm seeing certain things on the news media he's listed as a farmer, but he gets that money, and what you think he used the money to do? He used the money to fund violence, and that's what's going on in St. Vincent. So this video right here is just to show the world, say, listen, countryman know what me I talk about. I am actually showing that this little island here is a dangerous little island. As simple as you see it there, is nothing to play with. Now, I just want to highlight certain things we are going in them Caribbean island here. Cause let people understand that you see them Caribbean island here, them dangerous no bomber clot. People can say what them all want to say, but some of the things we are going in a Jamaica, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, Trinidad, all them other little island there, it make the ear or the back of your neck stand up. And at that me have to say, we have a crisis in the Caribbean. And we do that video here just to highlight, say, St. Vincent, like Jamaica, full of corruption. But the difference is, because St. Vincent and them place they're smaller, the corruption more vicious. Listen, leave on a comment and let me know what you think about this. But for now, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And like me say, Easy Flames, the Louis Rankin movie will come up either today or tomorrow on that channel here. And then we have things on Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Lucia, definitely St. Lucia coming up. I'm now leave out Trinidad, so stay tuned on the channel. I'm out, yo.